Friends, welcome to my channel MP Educate. I am Meeta Parekh. Let us discuss the most important diagram based question of chapter number 9, Science 1. Here is the first diagram based question. What is the above reaction? Define this reaction. So, from diagram only, we can say that it is the addition reaction. What is addition reaction? The unsaturated compound can undergo addition reaction with hydrogen to form a saturated compound. What is the unsaturated compound? When the carbon-carbon atom, between the carbon-carbon atom, if there is a double bond or triple bond, then it is an unsaturated carbon compound. If there is a single bond between the carbon and carbon atom, then we can say it is a saturated carbon compound. Name the catalyst used in this reaction. Here platinum or the nickel is used as a catalyst. Here is platinum or the nickel. Now, what is the use of this reaction? So, this reaction is used for the hydrogenation of vegetable oil in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. The molecule of vegetable oil contain long and unsaturated carbon compound. Hydrogenation transfer them into the saturated chain and thereby vanaspati ghee is formed. So, this reaction is used for the hydrogenation of vegetable oil into vanaspati ghee. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Identify the compound, write the molecular formula, write the structural formula, and how many single and the double bond are present in the compound. As we know, if there is a one carbon atom present in the compound, then we say it is methane. If two carbon atom is present, then we say ethane. And if it is a three carbon atom present, then we say it is a propane. And so on. Here, in the diagram, there is a two carbon atom are present, and between the two carbon atom there is a pair of the double bond. So, we can write down like this. It is ethene. As there is a two carbon atom, it is a ethane, and as there is a double bond, it is a ethene. Now, what is the molecular formula? As there is a two carbon atom, that is C2, and as there is a 4 hydrogen present, that is C2H4 is the molecular formula. Let us write down the structural formula. Here we have to first write down two carbon atom as the two carbon atom are present, and there is a pair of the double bond between two carbon atom. So we have to draw the pair of the double bond, and here there is a 4 hydrogen atom is attached. So with this help of the single bond we have to draw 4 single bond and we have to write down the hydrogen atom. Now, our next question. How many single bond are present? So here there is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 single bond are present, and there is a pair of double bond are present between the two carbon atom. Now, let us move to our next diagram based question. With a chemical equation, explain the chemical reaction. Here in the test tube, mixture of ethanoic acid, ethanol and a few drops of sulfuric acid is taken. Now keep this test tube in the beaker containing hot water for 5 minutes. Then take 20 to 30 ml of water in another beaker and pour the above reaction mixture in it and smell it. Here the ethanoic acid and ethanol react in the presence of the acid at catalyst, here the sulfuric acid, and ester, that is ethyl ethanoate, is formed. So this we have to write down the chemical equation, that is ethanoic acid CH3COOH and ethanol CH3CH2OH. Here the water is formed. So hydrogen from the ethanoic acid and OH from the ethanol and water is formed, and the CH3COO CH2CH3, that is ester, is formed. What is the use of the ester? As we know, ester has the sweet odor. So ester are used for making fragrance and flavoring agent. When the ester is react with the alkali sodium hydroxide, the corresponding alcohol and the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is formed. This reaction is known as soapinification and it is used in the preparation of the soap from the fats. Friends, have you noticed that? Sub question of the diagram based question are too simple to give answer. And if you have not seen my first video on the chapter number 1, please go and see that video. In that video, with the help of the paper 2020, I have explained that out of 40 marks question, 20 marks question are diagram based and the 10 marks question are objective. So, if the students will do the diagram based question thoroughly, then definitely students will get 40 out of 40 marks. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.